Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this topic, we will discuss how to solve this issue of earning at risk. You need to fix some ads.txt file. Now, if you're given your website for an AdSense approval, this is the first problem you'll come across. You will see this problem once your website gets approved. So this is because we have to insert an ads.txt file code in our website, in the backend of a website, not the AdSense approval code, the addition code which we need to insert once it is approved. Now this code is basically your ID card which says that AdSense account, that this account belongs to this ID. Now we need to insert it. Your website might be on Blogger or might be on WordPress. Let's see how to solve this issue in both the website. We'll start with the Blogger, then we'll go on to the WordPress website. Now if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and ring that bell, and even give a thumbs up if you like watching my video content. Please follow, and if you have any doubts regarding blogging, AdSense or WordPress, just comment it on the comment section. I'll reply and make a video on it if it's necessary. So let's start it with it. First, we'll see how to solve this issue in Blogger website. Now in the Blogger, we don't have a plugin. We need to do it manually. So the first thing we need to do is click on this download button, and this will start downloading. Now this is ads.txt file. Just click on it and it will open. Now this is the code. This is your ID of your AdSense account. We need to insert the entire code in our Blogger website. Now just Control A and Control C, and let's move to the back end. Now come to the theme settings section. Click on setting. Now this is a new, obviously many people know the Blogger have changed it, they upgraded their website. Now this is a new layout. Just scroll down until you see the monetization section. Now this is the monetization section. It should be off in your case. If it is off, please turn it on. If it is off, turn it on and click on custom ads.txt file. Now here you need to paste your code. Paste your code, the copied code right here, and click save. And that's it. Now this is how you do it in the Blogger. It's very simple. Now in the WordPress, we have a plugin. We don't have to do it. We don't have to go to the backend of your theme and place it. There is a plugin. Just go to the plugin section and click on add new. And just search ads.txt. Just type it ads.txt, and you might see a list of plugins, and I'll tell you which one to go on with it. Now there are many plugins. Just make sure you click on this one. Now I already installed it, so just click on install now. If you're seeing like this, install now, and click on activate. Once it is activated, just come to the installed plugins. And search for ads.txt. Now this is the one we are looking for, or just come to the settings. Here you'll see ads.txt. This is ads.txt. Just click on ads.txt. and place it right over here. Now this is the place where we need to paste it. Just paste it right over here and click on save changes. Now that's all we have installed in both our website. Even in the Blogger I have showed you. In the WordPress it's very easy. Just by installing a plugin we can do it. Now once you saved it, and if you refresh it, you will still see this issue, because it will take 1 to 2 days for an AdSense, for Google to make a correction in their site, in their server, and to remove this error it will take maximum of 1 or 2 days. Now if it's not working for you, don't be panic. It will take 1 or 2 days. Check back after a day or two and you shall see the problem is solved. Now this is how you solve this problem of ads.txt file. Now this is very important. If you're not going to do it, you might see a drop in your AdSense revenue, just like this one. You can see there's a huge drop in my AdSense account. That's because I didn't solve this issue for a while. I was on my other account. Now this is my spare AdSense account. So don't just keep this issue. Just make sure you follow the instructions what I just showed you. It will take 1 day to resolve it, and that's all. So if you like my video, just keep a like and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.